and welcome to episode 33 of Sailing Alley Cast.
As we are actually sailing again. We're having some great sails these days.
Yes, we are. So we're going to start this episode off with, I believe we were at the Exuma Land and Sea Park.
Okay.
And yeah, we had a really good time there. Unfortunately, we did have to cut our trip to the Exumas a little bit short. The cell and internet coverage over there wasn't very good. I really wasn't comfortable with it, with the situation that I've got going on at home with my mom. We were able to run the little Wi-Fi device of the mast and get a little bit of cell and internet, but it just really wasn't enough to make me feel comfortable.
Yeah, that worked great for when we wanted to talk to people, but we couldn't leave it up there all the time unless I ran an extension cord up.
Yeah, so that wasn't something that wasn't going to happen. So we ended up packing up a little bit earlier than we hoped for, and heading back to Eleuthera. We spent a couple of days in Spanish Wells reprovisioning, checking out a few cool sites there, and then we beat feet on back up to Abaco's. We were very happy to pick up our crazy Canadian friends on SONHO, and now we're making our way slowly north of the Abaco's chain to see what we got going on up here. So you guys enjoy the episode. I hope you like what I put together for you with the Exumas Land and Sea Park. And yeah, Dave and I got some sailing to do here, so you guys enjoy the show, and we're getting back to sailing.
It's gonna be a fine day today, I can see. It's gonna be a fine day today, I can see. Gonna be a fine day today for you and me. It's gonna be a fine day today, just wait and see. Blue skies everywhere, believe you me. It's gonna be a fine day today for you and me. Oh, now baby, I know I've done you wrong. I only meant trouble for so long, but baby, all that crazy is on the bus. And today it's gonna be a good day for us. Oh. Now baby, I know I done you wrong. I only meant trouble for so long, but baby, all that crazy is on the bus. And today it's gonna be a fine day for us.
What's up, dangerous diving Dave?
Not much, Jungle Alley.
No, that's Shark Skin Alley, remember? We changed it, remember?
It's a different day, wasn't sure.
I don't know what the problem is. I don't know why you're confused. Where are we going? What's going on here? Whoa, I'm all right.
We're exploring the wilds.
This is the Exuma Land and Sea Park.
Yep.
What did we forget? That's very important today.
Hydration.
Yep, we're out here with no water. That's because, oh God, there's a spatter. Okay, we're out here in the wilds of Exuma. We forgot our water.
We'll be fine.
I don't know about this. I'm pretty sure we're lost again. Yeah, pretty sure. He's gonna let me sneak right up on him and get a picture. Oh, what a beauty he is. Look at him. Oh, he makes you want to just reach over and touch him, but don't, because remember, he's a wild animal, and at any moment, he may viciously attack. Let's just leave him alone in his natural habitat.
We'll go around.
Walk away, Dave.
I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. Everything about you calling out to me. I got to hold ya. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to heaven above for ya. I can't get you out of my mind. Oh baby, every curve's like a new adventure, pulling me into the center closer. Yeah, baby, I'm not playing around. I mean every little word. I can't get you out of my mind. Oh baby, every curve's got me going crazy. Can't control it, can I see it all? Man.
Good morning, everybody, and greetings from the middle of a great big body of water. What is this?
I don't know. It's the sound or the bank. Exuma sound, Exuma bank.
Exuma Bank? Okay. Greetings this morning from the Exuma Bank. This morning we found ourselves in Ship Channel Key, and we were preparing to leave Exuma and head back to Eleuthera. Specifically Royal Island Harbor, which is close to Spanish Wells. Now we're having a pretty good sail here this morning, but this is a very interesting sail, so I'm going to turn this over to Dave and let him tell you just a little bit about what we got going on out here this morning. Dave, take it away. Where are we and what is going on?
So we're leaving the Exumas, crossing over to Eleuthera. But we're going through a bank, I don't know what it is, but tens of thousands of coral heads.
Tens of thousands?
More than thousands.
Anyway.
I don't know if you can see them on the screen or out here, but you got to dodge them. You don't know how deep they are.
So why are we out here in the middle of it?
It's the way back.
Okay.
I didn't want to take 3 hours to go around the bank, so there's a channel. We should be fine. We're shallow.
We're in a channel other ships have taken, right?
Yep.
All right.
But yeah, it's about a 50-mile sail today. We're glorious. I mean, we're doing 7 knots with just the head sail up. We got about, my wind instruments aren't working quite right, so we got about 20 knots of wind. 3-4 foot seas. It's a nice day.
How long is it going to take us to get to Royal Island?
8 or 9 hours.
All right, so we got a nice day ahead of us, don't we?
Yep.
All right.
We do.
Oh no, I gave my heart away, went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like, dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blinded. You got me all lost. Listen to my heart. I gotta be lost, survived it. Now you're all gone, 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 my friend. Oh Lord, I guess you fooled me once, but I ain't falling twice. All lies. Oh Lord, I ain't gonna run. My rise has just begun. I'll shine. Shame on you. Should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blind. You got me all lost. Listen to my heart. I gotta be lost, survived it. Now you're all gone, 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 my friend. Baby, what goes will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it. I never lost it. I never lost it, baby. Baby, what goes will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it. I never lost it. Baby, what goes will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it. I never lost it.
Oh my God, is that SONHO? You told me we weren't going to see them anymore. Hi! Oh, it's so good to see you! Hi!
Oh, come here.
Hi! Oh my God, they've got trash.